We are in the Dalton area where there's a Massey Ferguson and Radium demo day where we are having a look at what new products they've got and to see how they work under our conditions, under our climates, our soils.
Events like this allows us to introduce new machines to customers, machines that they've not necessarily seen working practically in the field. It allows customers to get into the tractor to experience our products as well and see the effects and how our products actually perform in field on their area and their farm.
It's always nice to come and experience it. Great hospitality, mostly just to see what's on offer in terms of implements and equipment, try and test it out ourselves as well.
We've demonstrated a couple of products today. We have a bulk spreader, 11 ton, which a lot of the farmers in this area use to put down milo, which is also known as filter press, that comes out of the sugar mill.
I know their spreaders very well. We have a spreader on our farm on the coast, and we're very happy with that.
Yeah, we own a Radium spreader. We're using it to spread our chicken litter. Yeah, it's good equipment, and it's nice to see that they're also back this year.
We've got a Radium bulk spread 313. It does all our ratoons and plant where we spread lime and gypsum, and also the filter cake that comes out of the mill, which is the organic matter.
I've got a Radium spreader and I spread my chicken litter with that. Purchased it about 5 years ago, and yeah, I haven't had any issues. I'm very happy with it.
We have then also demonstrated a 5-ton power rip, which the farmers in this area use when they are planting cane and to pull out the old cane and the ratoons that they've got, and they need to rip quite deep to sort out their compaction issues.
So we have a Radium 5-ton ripper with a roller. We bought the Radium ripper because they have a very good penetration into the soil, as well as the way their ripper aerates the soils is very important for us. When we were looking at rippers in general, they had the best one on the market.
The other is a medium duty ripper, which we've demoed today, which is a relatively new product which hasn't been seen in this area that much. It rips to 350 mils.
Radium was the right answer for us. For example, the inline disc. We generally do a deep rip through our stools to destroy the plant, and then we disc it a couple of times through winter and kill the actual ratoon because we need to get new fresh seed in and have the old crop killed. For that we use the Radium power rip. After that we run a conventional disc over it a couple of times like I just said, and then in the end, especially on heavy clay soils, you want to have a good seed bed, because if we get any more air into the furrow where we planted the sugarcane, you can have gaps in your fields and a poor population. So the inline disc provides the perfect solution for that. It destroys all the clods and creates a fantastic seed bed for planting sugarcane. So it's your last operation you do before you plant your sugarcane.
The inline disc was very impressive. I took that thing to 15 kilometers an hour and the result of it was phenomenal, I thought.
Probably the most impressive equipment from them here. Really like that high-speed disc. It's very impressive. I just don't have the tractors that are big enough to pull it. So one day.
The biggest benefit of working with a company like Radium is that we listen to what farmers' problems are. We're not there just to sell machines, but we're there to solve problems. We've got distributors right through the country. FMS, who we worked with today, being our representative here in the Midlands area of Natal. We work in the Cape, we work in Northwest and Mpumalanga, but not only that, a very important part of our business is our export business into Zimbabwe, Zambia, Botswana, Congo, and further up into Africa. We have exported to Australia and Canada as well. It's an area of the business that we would really like to expand on and to grow.
So we've been a customer of Radium for approximately 10 years. I think the fact that we've bought one piece of equipment and then bought another and a third is testament to how happy we are with their products.
I would strongly recommend the Radium products. They are very hardy, very durable, and I'm sure they will perform under any African conditions.
So I've got some Radium implements and I use FMS in Pietermaritzburg, and their service is very good. Parts always readily available and very happy with their service.
We've never had any hassles with getting any spares or parts that we need for our equipment.
They're literally a call away. If it's urgent, they're there on the spot. Our service has been excellent with Radium, and we would recommend Radium to anybody.
Just a message to the FMS guys, well done to another brilliant event. I think it was very well hosted, and looking forward to the next one next year.
We've been in business for 59 years this year. Some of our customers have been customers for over 30 years. So it's just about giving back, acknowledging the customers, letting the customer know we're still here, we still offer the same service and the backup on our machines that they've acquired from us over the years.